Welcome back to the Camp Nou vision. Progress is moving fast across the stadium, with multiple sections seeing major structural work and facade installation. Today, we take a closer look at the latest developments, from the upper tiers to the lower sections, showing how every part of the stadium is taking shape. Work in the upper tier remains highly active. A new compression ring has been integrated into the structure, reinforcing the load distribution system that supports the future roof. At the same time, bolts and fastening components are being installed around the recently positioned radial beam, signaling continued structural integration. Additional manpower in this zone is helping maintain strong momentum while ensuring all connections meet strict alignment standards. The staircase enclosures have now advanced up to the first overhang level, representing a solid construction milestone. The steel framework is securely in place, and the finishing alignment work is continuing with good speed. These enclosures will serve as major circulation routes, so structural precision remains a priority. Lamella installation at the south goal corner has progressed rapidly. Multiple horizontal lamellas have been installed across bracket sections and upper facade zones in recent days. Crane positioning and material staging nearby indicate further installation is planned. Support brackets and anchor points in adjacent sections are prepared for expansion into the next facade areas. Before we move on, many people are watching the rebuild unfold, but not everyone is subscribed. If you want regular updates, make sure you're subscribed. Now let's move to the north goal section. A trailer delivery to the north goal sector has brought a substantial shipment of heavy-duty lamella supports. These large steel components are now staged on site and will extend the facade framework into additional sections. Some lower support lines remain incomplete, and anchor connections are not yet fully installed, indicating structural preparation will continue before lamella placement begins. Concrete pouring operations are underway in the central north goal sector in previously excavated zones. A concrete mixer is operating on site for structural base reinforcement. Staircase structures are well advanced, with exterior beams largely complete. Precast concrete panels are staged nearby, indicating enclosure work is approaching. Work continues in the south goal sector centers on the elevator shaft structures. The main steel framework is largely complete, with lifting platforms supporting alignment and reinforcement at upper levels. Diagonal bracing elements are still required in specific bays before full enclosure can proceed. The structural skeleton is now clearly defined, and preparations for sandwich panel installation are advancing. Insulation work continues in the upper facade sections above the first cantilever. Rock wool insulation has been fitted along the glazing line, with trim elements installed and protected under white sheeting. This insulation layer provides thermal and acoustic protection before final sealing. Installation of the glass panels between the tiers is progressing steadily, with the most visible transformation appearing around the upper portion of the first overhang. The panels are being carefully measured, aligned, and anchored to maintain both safety and design consistency. As more units are secured, the facade is beginning to reflect a cleaner, more contemporary identity, gradually redefining the visual character of Camp Nou. In the lower sections, a noticeable number of material sacks have arrived on site, indicating preparation for the next phase of concrete or finishing operations. Alongside this, extra tubes have been installed across facade sections, expanding the internal infrastructure network. These installations reflect steady progress as the project moves methodically from structural groundwork toward system integration. That wraps up today's construction update from Camp Nou. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the next progress report. Stay tuned. More updates coming very soon.